Hi, good morning. Welcome back. See, nobody wants to become old, but it is fact that age to बढ़ना ही है. So here we are working on biological age reduction. We are trying our best to reverse our biological age and slow the aging process. So age gracefully with these healthy lifestyle choices will definitely going to help you. हम सभी अगर हमारे आजू बाजू देखेंगे तो एक ना दो लोग हमें मिल ही जाते हैं who have maintained their youthful brain and body well into their older years. There is actually a lot we can do to slow our aging process and fend off diseases. The brain remains alert when it is in lastic and rested condition. Energy levels stay high when we balance blood sugar and hormones and maintain muscle mass. And we prevent disease when we preserve gut health, which is related to our digestive system and immune health also. So for that we need to follow some thumb rules. We need to consume omega-3 fatty acids. So these nutrients found in foods like fish and flax seeds and are a very important component for our body cells to protect by surrounding it all around. They have been shown as a boost of brain function, decrease inflammation, build and repair cell membranes, and aids for the stress management. Omega-3 fatty acid is also available in the form of nuts and seeds like flaxseed, chia seeds, walnuts. So all these things are there which are already available in the ample amount in market. So try to consume these things in your daily routine. Another thumb rule is drink enough water. So drink enough quantity of water. You can decide the quantity of the water what you need to consume depends on the color of the urine. When the color of the urine becomes white, that means you have consumed sufficient quantity of water. Lack of water intake in your body causes dehydration and that causes fatigue, foggy thinking, headache, constipation. These all are the sign of aging. Hydrated brain is the healthier brain. And as we get older, it becomes more difficult to absorb nutrients in the gut. And the hydrated gut is the healthier gut too. So always keep yourself hydrated and enjoy healthy living. Also, don't forget to consume vitamin B. All vitamin B are important, whether it is B6, vitamin B12 and folate. So most healthy adults get sufficient B12 from their regular diet. And it is very common for the older people to have some level of B12 deficiency. This might not only because of the poor diet but also as age related reduction in the stomach acid which a body needs in order to absorb vitamin B12 from the food. If somebody is taking stress or heartburn medication, so that also blocks vitamin B absorption in the body. So make sure you are taking care of your body from all point of view. I just have discussed three things. One is vitamin B6, one is vitamin B12 and folate. So vitamin B6, it comes from the cereals, beans, poultry items, fish and some vegetables, fruit, especially dark leafy green vegetables, papaya, oranges, etc. Vitamin B12 that comes from animal product like fish, poultry, meat, egg or dairy products. It is also available in cereals and enriched soya and rice milk also. Folate is a thing which comes from the fruits and vegetables, whole grains, beans, fast cereals and fortified grains and grain products. It's best to avoid foods that are heavily fortified with folic acid. One of the thumb rule is to keep your brain alert. Usually after the age of 40, average brain shrinks approximately 5% every decade. That means in every 10 years, 5% of your brain reduces in its size. But aerobic exercises, Zumba exercises, that significantly helps to maintain the volume of the brain. So when you do these kind of exercises, so you produce a chemical called brain derived neurotropic factor, which help to prevent age related decline by reducing the deterioration of the brain. That means the size of the brain which is getting deteriorated, that rate of deterioration reduces. All exercises like Stationary cycling, walking, and running on the treadmill 2 to 5 times a week of duration ranging from approximately 3 to 24 months if somebody is doing workout in a proper manner, that is also helping in the quality of the brain. Along with improving regular healthy aging, exercise has implications for the prevention of aging related neurodegenerative disorders. So any kind of brainy activities are stimulating for the new connection between the nerve cells, which end up generating new cells in the brain, and which ultimately improves the functionality of the brain. So any mentally stimulating activity should help to build up your brain. You can take courses for mental gymnastics also. You may solve puzzles or mathematics problems and many things which requires mental involvement and mental efforts, such as drawing, painting and other crafts. Also, it sounds of fun for any age group. So they are very much helpful for the betterment of our brain health. Consuming anti-aging foods like mushrooms are very good for the anti-aging purpose. Also, by the time we hit 50 in our age, so average adult will lose approximately 50% of the lean body mass, which is replaced by the fat mass. And it is unfortunate that it continues with the years. Everybody knows that higher fat mass opens the door for things like diabetes and heart diseases. Also, we know that the lean body mass also reduces, muscle mass also reduces, so adequate protein throughout the day can help to maintain it. Even at the age of 50 or after 50, one should go for the weight bearing exercise. It may be body weight or lifting other weights also, but one has to do it. And after the weight training, one has to go for the flexibility exercise, stretching exercises. One of the thumb rule is to keep your gut happy, and that is in your hands. So eat right, eat proper. Another thing is, remember to consume vitamin C and vitamin E in any manner, whether it is in the form of vegetable, fruits or in the form of dietary supplements which are available in the market. We had a separate knowledge zone for vitamin D and bone health, so I hope you must have gone through it. If not, so please go through it. It is one of the best things you should know about your own health. Vitamin D is very important for the immune system. It fights against the cancer and is good for bone and as well as for the heart health. Watch the consumption of carbohydrate and sugar in your diet. Both spikes and crashes from sugar and simple carbs causes dip in the energy and mood. Craving for sugar and carbohydrate that interrupts the sleep and speeds up the aging process. As we emerge from the fat is bad era, the drawing of the new age where healthy fat not only satisfy hunger so well, but they have a host for other benefits like building healthy hormones. So fill up with healthy fats and just remember that while they are healthy, they are also caloric. So consume it in a limited manner. Spending time with the tree is also good for anyone of any age, as nature does wonders for the brain and spirit. Forest environments promotes lower concentration of cortisols, hormones, and also lowers the pulse rate. It reduces the blood pressure, and even just a walk in the park or a 5-minute nature break can do a tremendous miracle for you. Feed your hormones with happy thoughts, as dark thoughts and the negative attitude prompts toward the stress hormone. Think happy thoughts. And do you know, the longest confirmed human lifespan belongs to a French man named Jean Calment, who lived for 122 years. You must have to go for the relaxation techniques, as chronic stress is now linked to basically with every health problem. And since you might not always have a control over every situation, but you can have control how your brain reacts. So just learn the techniques how to relax, like breathing techniques, meditation, listening to some kind of music. This reduces the cortisol level your brain releases in the moment of anxiety and stress. You need to practice mental health every morning. So you have to do skincare routine, wake up rituals, morning stretching, 5 minutes of meditation. All these activities has dramatic effect on the brain throughout the day, including boosting self-control, improving productivity and decreasing stress and anxiety. If meditation is not your style, so you can also go for a walk in the nature. You can read morning journal, few pages, pick daily mantras. All these things will not only will be adding into your mental health to your morning routine, but will change the status of your brain for the rest of the day, and ultimately your cortisol level in the brain will drop. That means healthy living and your goal of looking at least 10 years younger than your present age will definitely going to get fulfilled.